Hi, this video will tell you some knowledge about light customization in Cool Home. Many people find that the preset lighting mode doesn't work well, sometimes with some missed light source for some models. That is why we need to know how to use lighting customizations in Cool Home. First, create a new light customization file based on any existing mode, so that you will enter the interface. We can see that the parameters on the left panel, and I will introduce some basics related to the light source. Let's start from surface light sources, such as rectangular and circular light. The rectangular light is usually used as the overall space brightness compensation. It can be added either above any space or outside the window. Here we see that each window in the demonstrated project uses a rectangular light source to compensate for the lack of sunlight. In some night mode, we can also use both of them at the same time. Then, let's click on any of the lights here. You can adjust the detailed light source parameters on the right panel. All of them can be resized by dragging on edge. You can also rotate it to vertical mode as a compensation from the outdoor. Next to be explained is Omni lights. Omni light source is the best choice to be adapted to lamps such as chandelier, table lamp, floor lamp, and wall lamps. We can also modify the color temperature, radiation range, and position for the light source on the right panel. Here's to remind you as a trick. If we think it's not bright enough for the Omni light, it is recommended to adjust radius than brightness. Otherwise, it may be too much exposed. Then I would introduce a very useful function, supplementary lights, also as field light showed on the panel. The characteristic of supplementary light is that there is no specific solid shape form for it, so that it is suitable for some detailed atmosphere expressions such as decorative paintings, table decorations, furniture items, and so on. Apart from all mentioned above, there are plenty of light sources in Cool Home to be explored. We will explain that in other sessions. Thank you and see you next time.